In this video, I'll be unboxing the JBL Vibe Beam 2, so you have a better idea what's included in the box and what's also not included. So let's get started. So right away, we get this. In this compartment, we're gonna have the case with the earbuds. This is how it looks. It's very compact. And if I open them up, the earbuds will be already inserted in their spot. You'll have to remove this small plastic cover on them so that the charging ports over here are available. So once I drop them, you see it starts charging. Now let's set them aside and see what else is included. We're gonna have a small manual over here telling you a few different information. For example, over here, to charge them from 0%, it takes 2 hours. And once you put them in, and the earbuds themselves, if you put them in the case for 10 minutes of charge, you will get 3 hours of listening time without noise cancellation. And you also get over here other informations. Otherwise, in this small pouch, you also have different size of ear tips. And we also have one USB cable that is USB type A to USB type C. So to charge the case, you simply have to connect over here and connect the other end in your laptop or in a USB charger that you plug in the wall. So this is about it. This is all that comes included. If you're interested of getting one of these pair from Amazon, I'll put a link in the description down below. Every time you purchase through my link, I get a small commission and it helps my channel. Subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you in the next one.